Lights, camera, chamber. I'm at the cafeteria at North High, and today there is an exciting announcement that's going to tell you how there's going to be a lot more of this that is going to be getting into the hands of our students. A lot of great fresh fruits and vegetables. That's coming up on this edition of Lights, Camera, Chamber. Superintendent, you've got one of the apples that is being unloaded. What a great day. $500,000 that was just delivered in that grant. What does that mean for the Worcester school system, this program?
Well, it means that students are going to be able to eat healthy food. And it also means that we're establishing another partnership that we can expand our help for the students at the Worcester Public Schools. So I'm most appreciative.
A $500,000 grant. Obviously, that shows the importance that you place on this program. Tell us a little bit about the involvement that you have had, not just with this grant, but over the last few years, and why it is so important to the community.
The foundation started supporting the Food Hub in 2015 because fresh, locally grown food is very important to people's health.
What exactly does the $500,000 grant, what is that going to allow the Worcester school system and the Worcester County Food Bank to do?
It's actually going to allow the aggregation of food, like bringing these apples into institutional food systems like the Worcester Public Schools, so that they can provide apples and many other things.
The need that children in Worcester County and particularly in Worcester have, and the way in which this can help and help through the schools.
Well, the food bank has always been concerned about childhood hunger, and over the years, it's a testament to the partners in this community. We're doing a lot around breakfast in the classroom, but Donna Lombardi, who's the child nutrition coordinator for the Worcester Public School systems, is a real leader, and she cares so much that every calorie count. So that means, fruits and vegetables, healthy protein, so that our investments in education really have the chance to be maximized to the best for every child.
Fresh fruit, fresh vegetables, kids in school. This truck, I think people know, as we've been talking about it today, loaded with apples, fresh from the farm. Kids go home, and for some kids, this will be the best meal that they get during the day. Will be the meal that they get here at school, and it will also be the only one that maybe doesn't get heated up in the microwave.
Exactly. Our goal is to provide fresh and healthy ingredients for these students on a regular and continuous basis. So that would working at decreasing both hunger and nutritional gaps that they may experience.
What a great day. Tell us about what this means. Get this truck out on the road. The work that your organization does with the Worcester Public Schools, the food bank, this great partnership that is going on.
Well, it's amazing, and you're right, Hank. It couldn't happen without a tremendous number of partnerships all around the city. The Regional Environmental Council, like so many of our partners, believes that access to healthy food is really a human right. And what this symbolizes is the first step at making that manifest right here in Worcester County. We want to make sure that no matter who you are in the city of Worcester, you can have access to healthy, local food and have access affordably. Donna Lombardi and Maureen Benenda at the Worcester Public Schools have been way out ahead in understanding that healthy food is fundamental to healthy students who can learn well, students who are going to have healthy lives. And so what this represents is a future for Worcester Public School students and our community that's a healthy one and that's a fair one. And I'll tell you, these apples are fantastic from Carlson.
Yeah, I was at Carlson Orchard, so let's talk a little bit about that, about where some of the partners are, where this fresh fruit will be and food will be coming into the Worcester schools.
Sure. So we have so many farmers, so many local farmers, and we're hoping as the project moves that it grows and we'll have many more farmer partners. But we have farms in Bolton, we have farms in Harvard, we have farms in Lancaster, and they're all very excited to bring healthy food to the Worcester Public Schools.
That's a great point. And why don't we end on that with mom and dad, what the impact that this can have on families in Worcester, some of whom aren't really able even to get out to because of their location. They're shopping at convenience stores at downtown as opposed to going to supermarkets or any kind of a place that would really have a large organic component to it. Can this have that impact?
It absolutely can, and you're getting at something that's fundamental to this project, which is we want healthy local food to become accessible throughout the city and then beyond Worcester. And so there's a lot of different methods to do that. So you get healthy food in the schools, but then you also get it in the corner stores. So we have a healthy corner store initiative that we've piloted with the Worcester Division of Public Health to get some healthy local foods available in corner stores. And then we have projects like the Regional Environmental Council's Mobile Farmers Market. And so that Mobile Farmers Market, in partnership with Harvard Pilgrim Healthcare and the United Way and UMass Memorial and the Health Foundation, visits right now 15 different stops around the city where folks don't have access to a grocery store that has good, healthy produce. And we bring a farmer's market on a weekly basis to 15 different places and bring things like apples from Carlson Orchards right to people. And so I think what fundamentally is going to be the answer is no one piece of the puzzle, but a beautiful network that changes the way the food system is constructed in this region and creates not only opportunities for access to healthy food, but grows the economy and gives farmers more income for their work and helps develop more small food-based entrepreneurs, that trains folks to get employment in the food service industry. I think the possibilities are really beautiful and endless.
The words that we use to organize our work every day at the Chamber is recruit, retain, and incubate. And part of that is incubating new businesses. How do we create new entrepreneurs each and every day? And our involvement with the commercial kitchen housed at the Worcester County Food Bank is about trying to encourage that food culture, the development of businesses, ideas, and recipes, which has been transformational for our city. Over 55 new restaurant licenses, I think, in the last 18 months here in the city. Many of them driven by entrepreneurs, by immigrants coming, willing to kind of start a business to help infuse the restaurant scene with a whole eclectic mix of choices. And that is exciting. And we empower people when we create businesses, and the Food Hub is all about that.